Mutual funds are subjected to market risk. Please read all schemes related documents carefully. यार इतने से पानी में कौन आएगा यार? मम्मी थोड़ा और गर्म पानी नहीं है क्या? Welcome back to the channel and today we have got up a bit early so अब देखते हैं क्या करना है. थोड़ी देर पढ़ाई करेंगे फिर अभी आज शैम्पू किया तो वही पुरानी कहानी, बाल सेट नहीं हो रहे और अब इतने दिन से बहुत दिन हो गया ब्लॉग करके तो आज बहुत दिन के बाद ब्लॉग कर रहा हूँ तो देखते हैं अब कैसा था यार. बहुत हवा आ रही है यार. और आज हम लोग बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में. सो बिकॉज मेरे को मतलब देखता हूँ कि लोगों को बहुत डाउट है म्यूचुअल फंड को लेके तो एटलीस्ट आई विल डू माई पार्ट. मेरे को जितना पता है मैं उतना बोलूँगा. कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, कैसे टैक्टिक्स रखनी चाहिए म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करते टाइम और मतलब किस तरह आपको पैसे मतलब कंटिन्यू रखने हैं, कितने साल के लिए रखने हैं, कितना रिटर्न्स आ सकता है एवरेज, और कुछ प्लान्स भी बोलूँगा कैसे है कुछ प्लान्स और किस में मैंने इन्वेस्ट करके रखा है वो भी बताऊँगा. तो ठीक है, करते हैं थोड़ी देर में. ओके सो दिस इज़ अ बेटर एंगल आई गेस. गुड लाइट. ओके सो कमिंग बैक टू द क्वेश्चन. सो व्हाट आर म्यूचुअल फंड्स? So mutual funds, to know more about mutual fund you should have a good idea about what is stock market and what are bonds and how do people earn money in stock market by investing and all that terms related to stock market. So firstly we'll answer this question. I actually have already answered this question on Quora. I'll put the link down. You can just go through that as well and I'll even answer here. I'll give you a basic idea about how the stock market runs up and how people make money, how people lose money in the market and how people can really make a good amount of money in mutual funds, like by starting a SIP for a 5-year, 3-year or a 5-year or a 10-year plan, and how you can actually make money and how exactly you have to put your money in mutual funds. And yeah, that's also I'll start with what is stock market, how stock market runs and why stock market exists at first place. Okay, so in simple terms, stock market is a term which provide liquidity to the securities of the company through which a company raises funds. As simple as that. And basically when the prices goes up people make money, when the prices goes down people lose money. This is very basic. Okay, so further it even depends upon the economy and the fundamentals of a stock, the fundamentals of the company. Now one simple fact that when the stock prices goes up people earn money, when the stock prices goes down people lose money. This is the very basic thing and it even depends upon the economy and the fundamentals of a stock. Basically I think it's of the basic principles of the economy, which is the supply and chain demand, but there are also other terms which depends the price of the stock moving upward or downward. If you don't want to lose money in the stock market, become a valuable investor. Learn about the companies, learn actually what the company provides, what's the company business model, how the company exactly does the business, what's the revenue and the complete fundamental about the companies, and even like how the company will perform in the next coming years, 5 years, and what will be the demand. You should have the complete knowledge about it, about the company, and don't just invest in a company for the sake of investing. Learn about the company, learn about the price chart, how it works, the range, what range the company pulls up, and it should be a clean idea wherever you are investing. You should be very clear with it. As Warren Buffett said, if you own a stock you are a part of the company. So learn about the company. This is fundamental analysis. This risk management is important to identify the potential threats and to maximize the profit and minimize the total losses you can get, and how exactly you will minimize the total losses is important. To invested money without testing their strategies are one who have lost the money the most, and which is not good. You should always test your strategies first. You should do paper trading first, and then you should basically start trading to make a good amount of money. So that is the basic of stock market, how it works. So now coming to the mutual fund. What is mutual fund? Mutual fund is made up of money collected from different investors, which is further invested in different securities like stocks, bonds, or other assets, which will basically get them some profit in coming period of time. This is basically mutual fund. It is collected from different investors, and then a person which is well qualified in this invest in good asset where he can earn money, and the part of money is even you can say some percent is then given to the investors as a return. This is basically mutual funds. The money taken is invested here in different stocks or bonds or anything which will help them make money, and then the returns are distributed here accordingly. So how mutual fund actually works? Portfolio is structured in such a way that it is able to maintain the returns which are actually mentioned in the prospectus of the fund. The fund prospects they're just prospects a rough number of 8% to 10% return in a year or somewhere near to it. So they actually invest in accordingly so that they can get this amount of return. But the question is here that will you lose money in funds? So if I say yes, you really can lose money. If the market goes down, whichever stocks are invested, you must have read at every mutual fund, and you must have seen this, that mutual funds are subjected to market risk. Please read all schemes related documents carefully. So this basically means that yes, surely if the market goes down, you will lose the money, but not a very big part of the money, some part of the money. You can say mutual fund is a space where how the profit is minimized or maximized accordingly. So it even depends upon the risk factor, how much risk you are ready to take. Give small or medium investor to professionally manage portfolios by the big people who really have learned about the market. They are basically MBA in finance or have a good experience of 10 to 15 years in the market, and you get access to their portfolios. They manage your portfolio and give you a good return on this. Money here is invested in large number of securities and is tracked as the change in market cap. Mutual funds charge annual fees as expense ratios, and even some of the brokers charge their brokerage on this, so which can impact on your returns. Whenever you're buying a share of a mutual fund, so basically you are buying the performance of the portfolio. So of the mutual fund share unit is referred as NAV, net asset value, which is derived by the total amount of securities to the amount of the outstanding shares. Be buy or redeemed by checking the current NAV of the share. Price of the mutual fund is accordingly updated when the NAV is settled. On average, a mutual fund holds hundreds of securities which they buy at a low price, which later gives them a good profit, which helps the portfolio to make impressive, and which will basically attract the investors to invest in it for a good returns. Mutual fund is both an investment and an actual company, just like you can say Motilal Oswal or Bajaj Allianz. So basically they are companies, but they invest in stocks by taking the money from investors and then investing accordingly. So this will they have a good amount of managers which help them to invest the money accordingly. Here is earned from dividends from stocks and interest on bonds. Pays all the money to the all the share owners whichever it receives over the year in the form of distribution. So yeah, that's how exactly it's done. When the fund sells the securities, all the capital gained, the profit gained is also distributed to all the owners whoever have bought the fund, basically. So this is the way how mutual fund works. Fund is a virtual company, and basically the CEO is called as investment manager, who and also is called as advisor, who advises is related to the fund. Funds are divided into various sectors, which is market fund, alternative funds, sector funds, beta funds, which include everything, and the various alternatives how exactly the fund will raise money according to the sector or all. There are also index funds, which is where I invest, where my interest is. and direct fund, blue chip funds. There are various other information regarding different funds, and where you can like where your interest lies, and accordingly you can invest in the fund. So suppose my interest is in Nifty 50. So I want to invest in the fund which is basically consists of the Nifty 50. So firstly, I'll go to the NSE website. I'll check the P by E ratio, price by earning ratio, and my interest will be only when it is below 23. I'll pose off somewhere 20. I'll buy around 20, 21 max, and I'll keep a watch on it, and I'll do the SIP of 3,000 a month. You can consider. Currently, I'm doing at 1,500 a month from a year, and the returns are 14%. And you can start. And I've removed all my money before this Corona thing, because at that time the P by E was crashing and even the market was crashing. So it was a very bad time. Many of the people in the mutual fund industry, like the money vanished 15 to 20, 30%. So which was a bad thing. But you can see all the portfolios of the mutual funds, they are in negative for the quarter. So yeah, that's how you should check it. You should check the P by E ratio. If it goes above 23 or 24, if it's around 27, 28, you should take a exit. I mean, at least for the period of time, you should book all your profits, and then you can start later when it comes down. When it comes near around 20, 19, at that time you can start it again. So yeah, that's how I do. You can just go on the NSE website and check this right now, and you will put the link in the description. So it will be easy for you guys. And yeah, that's how you can make a good amount of money. And even you can calculate your returns, whichever fund you are interested in. You can check the returns, annual returns of the fund. It will be quoted there, the recent performance of the fund, 3-year performance, 5-year performance, 10-year performance. You can check on the SIP calculator, and you can calculate a fund for 5 years, 10 years, which will be a great thing. And I already told you how you should remove your money by checking the PY ratio. The only thing I would like to tell you that removing your money, booking your profit will not stop your investment. It's only the thing that you have taken your profits. That is a good thing, right? And even there is also a trick in this which will help you to increase your interest earned. That's all on mutual funds. अब हम देखते हैं अब क्या करना है. वो बंद करके बैठे हैं वापस बिना किसके. फिर भी थे एटलीस्ट आज गर्मी नहीं हो रही है. और हाँ, फाइनली लॉकडाउन थोड़ा ईज हुआ है. मतलब इतना ईज नहीं हुआ है पर हुआ है काफ़ी बहुत. हर चीज़ थोड़ा बहुत खुला है, पर फिर भी मैं आप लोग को सजेस्ट करूँगा कि बाहर तो आप लोग ना ही जाइए बिना किसी काम के. जो काम घर बैठे हो रहा है उसको घर बैठे कीजिए. बाहर जाएंगे तो दिक्कत ही दिक्कत है. अगर हो गया तो इट इज़ अ वेरी बहुत डर लगता है किसको है क्या है. बहुत बाहर जाना तो बिल्कुल सेफ़ नहीं है. तो घर पे ही रहिए. जो काम घर से हो रहा है घर से कीजिए. जो बाहर जाना है तो प्रिकॉशन लेके जाइए. और आगे अब देखते हैं अब क्या करना है. एंड आई एम श्योर कि आपको इसको लेके काफ़ी चीज़ें आपसे क्लियर हो चुकी होंगी. अगर आपको फिर भी इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन जस्ट पिंग मी अप. आई विल हेल्प यू आउट. जितना एटलीस्ट जितना मुझे पता है उतना आई विल हेल्प यू आउट. अब दिस नाउ ठीक है. फिर लंच करके बात करते हैं. फाइनली हमारा लंच तो हो गया है. अब पढ़ेंगे थोड़ी देर और फिर देखते हैं फिर अब क्या करना है. We had a great workout session and yeah, I'm a bit tired now. अभी थोड़ी देर पढ़ूंगा फिर यार फैन कर दिया तो ओके. तो अभी थोड़ी देर पढ़ूंगा फिर सो जाऊंगा जल्दी क्योंकि वापस कल सुबह जल्दी उठना है. जल्दी उठने का आदत लगाया है थोड़ा, तो अब थोड़ा जल्दी उठेंगे. डिनर भी हो गया. सो ऑन दैट नोट पूरा दिन हो गया अच्छे से. तो अब हम सोएंगे. अब 12:30 हो रहा है. तो अच्छा था दिन. कुछ और थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज कर लिया था तो पर जितना करता हूँ नॉर्मली उससे काफ़ी थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर लिया. तो थोड़ा दुख रहा है. तो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच करूँगा अभी थोड़ा सा और फिर उसके बाद आई स्लीप. So let's call it a day and thank you for watching this vlog or goodbye, take care and yeah, then see you all in the next vlog. Bye bye.